Someone might be spying on your SIM. Here's how to stop it immediately. First, turn off call forwarding. Open Settings on your phone. Scroll to bottom and tap on Apps. Then select Phone. Scroll down and look for call forwarding, and tap on it. Turn it off immediately. Second, disable hidden carrier forwarding. Open the phone app. Go to keypad and dial ##002#, tap call. This disables all call forwarding across your carrier. Third, stop text message forwarding. Go to Settings. Select Apps. Then tap on Messages. Scroll down a little and tap on text message forwarding. Turn off any device you don't recognize. Fourth, check messages in iCloud. Go back to Settings. Tap your name at the top. Then select the iCloud option. Here, tap on Messages. If you don't want messages synced or accessed from iCloud, turn it off. Finally, remove unknown devices from your Apple ID. Inside Settings, tap on your name again. Scroll down to see all devices logged into your Apple ID. If you see any device you no longer own or don't recognize, tap on it. Then select Remove from Account. Confirm your choice, and done. Your calls and messages are now secure.